Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. Number 1, we can put into 2 minus number 1. Number 2 and number 2 we can do about factorization. So s squared plus 1 divided by s squared plus 1, you will got about 2 minus 1 over s squared plus 1. And we know that arctanx of s will multiply by number 2 and 1 over s squared plus 1. Now I will concentrate about this one. So we need to put about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to arctanx of s. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, you got about du equals to ds over 1 plus s squared. After we do first derivative for the both sides, dv, we got about 2 ds, and we got about v equals to 2s. So we got about u multiplied by v, so you got about 2s arctanx of s, and we have negative in here. We have du multiplied by v, and that should be about 2s over 1 plus s squared ds. The integral of this one, you got about 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of 1 plus s squared, and we put about c. This one we simplify. Now we go to the last one. So we need to do about integration by substitution. So we put about u equal to arctanx of s. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about ds over 1 plus s squared. So arctanx of s we change for u, and this one ds over 1 plus s squared we change for du. The integral of u, you got about u squared over 2, and we put about c. About u, that's about arctanx of s to the power of 2 over 2 plus c. And now we need to combine the answer in here. This one, that's about this one. And this one we had a negative side, so that's about this one. And we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.